Hi everyone, my name is Sheyomo. Today I'm a NeoLife business startup promoter. And one of the major questions that I do hear people asking about this business is how does it work? How does it work? There are different systems. However, I do my business 100% online. So I'm going to explain how the business works for me with the company business model. So when you get started with New Life, the company will give you all the products, meaning you are going to have access to all the product with your ID as an independent distributor, product ranging from healthcare, ranging from nutritional supplements and skincare products and home care products. Then apart from that, the company is also going to give you a free website, duplicated website that has all the products that are available in all the country where New Life exists. New Life exists in over 50 countries around the world. The company is also going to give you a mobile app. So what is your job? Your job is to direct traffic either by blogging, either by social media, or any means you know, either by paid ad to your website. So when you direct traffic to your website, you make sales from the product. When you make sales from the product, the company will remove both different bits. The company will take care of the delivery first. After they take care of the delivery, you can also decide to do delivery yourself. So the company have a logistic company that do the delivery worldwide. They also have some local logistic company that also take a product at a pickup center where customer can order online and pick up at the center that is close to them. So when that happen, the difference between distributor price, which is and the retail price, the company is going to keep it at your back office because you're also going to have a back office where you monitor your business both on laptop and on app, anyone that you have. So at the end of the month, the entire proceed are going to be paying to your local account. That is one of the way to make money in real life business. Making money in instant profit from the business, then accumulation of all the commissions from each of the products. That's another way. Then there's still another different part, but I'm only going to talk about those basic two ways of making money as a beginner. Why am I not talking about those other three ways right now? Because you have to build your network, you have to build your business to a certain level before you can enjoy all those other benefits. Okay, so this is just a simple explanation of how the new life business works. So when you do this, other people will get attracted to you. Maybe certainly the way you are doing your business, they want to get to your business. That is get into your business. That is how you will begin to grow your team. You begin to grow your team. Yeah. So after you get started like that, you have the website. Let me show you how the website the company will give you will look like. So look at this. This is my own website at the company automatic. I don't need to pay for this. It's already part of the package. The website I already have, and everything on this website is already being customized with my name and my number. You can see this is my number right here. You can switch within any country. I'm currently in Nigeria. That's why I switched to Nigeria. You can see you can do your business in all these countries. That's what it means. Then this is the name that I decided to choose, Nutrition Startup. So if you click here now, if you click here on this name now, on this nutrition startup, you are going to see uh, you are going to see my detail also here. As you click on this nutrition startup, you can see this is my picture, this is my phone number, this is an email, and this is a link to my Facebook, Instagram, X, YouTube, and LinkedIn. As you can see there. So anybody that comes here and shop on any of the product in any of the countries that NeoLife exists here, in any of the countries that NeoLife exists here, NeoLife will automatically do the difference. Last month, I make sales from US, from Uganda, and from other countries as well. If time permits me, I don't want this video to be too long. I will show you some of how those invoice comes in, right? So you see this now. So you'll be making money roughly in your country beyond the minimum wage. No life does not have to do with anything minimum wage. So in Nigeria now, I could say you're making minimum as a beginner, minimum of 100 to 300,000 if you know what you are doing. That's as a beginner. So as people that already been in the business that have already assist people that are making more than 3 million, 4 million, 5 million. I'm talking about people that have been in business 5 to 10 years above. So that will not happen for you that you are just starting in the same month. So don't think that immediately you join that will happen, except if you can do what you have to do, like drive more traffic to your website, run paid adverts, giving yourself a target. No one is giving you a target. It's your business at your own time. It's your own decision to determine how far you want to go with it. So you can see, since selecting Nigeria now, all the products price will be in naira. If I try to select another country, let's say I choose South Africa now, all the products will be on South African rands, right? So it's also make it local that anybody feels that, oh, these people are talking to me. And every website you have in here already be integrated with the local payment system. So for like Nigeria, you have Paystack there. For like Uganda, Tanzania, you have Airtel to go, like Cameroon, Ghana, you have MTN Momo, US, you have MasterCard and the rest, UK, you have MasterCard, you have logistic company, DHL already integrated to everything. So everybody don't feel as if, oh, I'm not spending a US dollar, I don't know how to, what, I cannot pay on this website. So anybody around the world, you already have everything in your local currency. I'm saying this because I know a lot of people watch my video from different parts of the world. I know my data says so, and I will show you, I'll prove it to you. So anywhere around the world, anywhere NeoLife exists, you can do your business. Still talking about how the NeoLife business works. So after you get started, by the way, at the description section of this video, you are going to see the link to get started with this business any country around the world you are. Just click the link under your own country, and if you find that your country is not there, you're also going to see my phone number. You can reach out to me on WhatsApp, while I'm going to share the link to get started with your own country with you. So after you get started, you already know what the business is, you already know the business model, you already know that the company is going to take care of logistics and all that. The company is going to give you a website. The next thing is you want to direct more traffic. How do you direct traffic? You started creating content about your business, about your product. So, for example, this is my YouTube channel now, where I used to create content about my business and about my product to direct traffic to my website. You can see this is one of the products called Training here. Already have 29,000 views. This is to show you that people are viewing it. This is about a business, 12,000 views, 11,000 views, 9,000 views, 7,000 views, all these things about this business that I'm talking about. So if you say people don't do business online, people don't come online, the numbers is telling you the difference. Yeah. So you're going to also create a WhatsApp, Instagram like this. On this Instagram here, I also talk about the business, about the product, sales, and all that. So all these are to direct traffic. If you click this place right now, the link in bio of this Instagram right now, you're also going to have something like that. When you click it, it will show you where you can also buy the product anywhere you are around the world. Anywhere you are around the world, you can see. So once somebody click on that link in bio there, you see different countries. So you just pick a country and you automatically go to your country and you buy the product based on your own country. As you can see, this is how you'll be able to drive traffic. Then you also create a Facebook account. Remember, we're still talking about how the NeoLife business work. So on the Facebook account, you create content about the product, about the business. Again, people see this, they reach out to you, they go to your landing page because you have to be putting your website everywhere. You can see this is my website that the NeoLife created for me. This is my phone number. So everything is still coming back to here. Remember, I said you will do what? You will direct traffic to your website. You can see some people in some country will decide to reach out to you because your phone number, your WhatsApp is there. And that's how you're going to be closing the deal, closing the business. So look at here now, you can also take a step further to create your own personal website, apart from the one the company gives you, or to get more traffic. You can see here now all products, you arrange the product by different countries all around the world. As you can see that Remember, I told you you are operating a global business. It's a location independent kind of business. You can see that. So these are the things you are going to learn. Yeah. And how you can apply it to your business. Then you can also decide to build another local e-commerce, all in the way to make more sales, track more traffic, more visibility. You make more money. As you make all those more money, you smile to the bank at the end of the month. Then you also need to track all your activities. How do you track all your activities? You can see I'm using Google Search Controls to track my activities. Like I said, some people still believe that, oh, people don't do online, people don't buy product online. Yeah, I have people buy products from United States. People buy $500 one single order. So this is how you do all that. So I'm still talking about New Life work. So this is one of my website I'm tracking, New Life store here. As you can see, in the last, okay, this is in the last 1 year, this particular website already have 425,000 impressions. It simply means this website have displayed on the Google search 425,000. How is it possible for me to talk to 445,000 in 1 year, in 365 days? Do the math. It's not possible. Let's see, in the last 3 months, this website has, mind you, this is just one of my traffic websites, like designed for this business. You will learn how to do that when you get started with the business. You can see here 96,000. No, let's even go back to 1 month. In the last 1 month, this website has displayed to 22,000 that are going on a search. In the last 7 days, let's get back to that. 6,000. How is it possible for me to reach out to 6,000 in the last 7 days? And these are people will be calling you, go to your website, driving traffic. So when you set up stuff like this, is that one of the major things people face when it comes to network marketing is I don't know how to talk to people. So what you are just simply doing with tech is flip the thing. You flip it. So instead of you looking for people, it's people that will be looking for you. In the last 24 hours, 1,100. This can only happen with tech. Then you might want to see what are they looking for. These are what people are looking for. So when somebody look, people are looking for NeoLife, people are looking. I'm talking of 24 hours now. People are looking for salmon oil. People are looking for a list of NeoLife products. People are looking for salmon oil. Can you see? So when I start to run pay ads now, and I decide that I want to run salmon oil, there's a data behind that is telling me what to do. Karma training price. Yeah, several people coming for training today. And this data is just giving a justice for that. Several people coming for training today. Do you see that now? So these are what people are asking. Data does not lie. By the way, this is just one of my websites. You can see some of my other blogs here. If I click this now, this website here, this website here that you see here now, if I click it now, it's also going to, in the last 24 hours, 721. In the last 24 hours, just 24 hours that are searched here. Then, as you can see here now, you can see different things that people are asking. Remember, I told you I are operating a global business. So, New Life office in Lagos. So that's how people come and say, oh, I'm a New Life distributor. General product catalog, New Life product. Can you see New Life product? Tanzania. People are searching for Tanzania. In fact, Ghana, Kenya. Can you see what people are searching? You have to track to do your business better. So you might be thinking, how am I going to do this? There's training for that in the first 1 month that you join the business, that you join the team. Again, if you want to join, if you want to get started with this business digitally, you don't have to leave whatever you are doing currently. No, you don't have to. You can start at a part-time, you can start a full-time, but you don't have to leave whatever you are doing currently. You can be doing this as work from home. You can be doing this as alternative sources of income, right? So you see different. So let's even go to different pages people that are searching for. I will see here. It's also make it to optimize better. It simply means people are looking for products for immune system. People are looking for products for back pain. People are coming looking for product from Ghana, from Tanzania. Let's now go to the countries. Remember, I told you that New Life operates in over 50 countries around the world. So, guys, I'm just checking the last 24 hours. 24 hours. These are girls people sign up from different parts of the world. See Nigeria, see United States, you see Uganda, you see Ghana, you see Kenya, you see Tanzania, you see South Africa, Cameroon, Namibia, Sierra. These are where people are searching from. On this particular traffic site, like blogging that I'm blogging, talking about NeoLife business opportunity, products, this is where people are actually coming from on this particular, and this is just 24 hours. So imagine in the last 7 days, the data will change. So Italy, can you see Italy is already showing up here? As you can see that top 10 there in the last 28 days. Can you see that? Can you see that? Guess what? I cannot reach 5,000 people in the last 28 days across the world, not alone of having 20,000. So these are the things. So I can say by the time I put all my blog traffic together, I'm getting more than 500,000 traffic in a month. And this is only possible. This is only possible when it's come to tech. This is just a snippet of how the business works. If you want to get started with this, like I said, at the bottom description section, just in case you don't know, let me show you a very typical example of that. I'm trying to open one of my video. So either you're watching from YouTube or anywhere you're watching, most likely from YouTube. At the description section of the video like this, you are going to see different countries and the link to get started. And if you also want to reach out to me on WhatsApp, you're going to see my contact there on this place. And you're welcome to the family of NeoLife Startup Digital NeoLife Business. I'll see you in the next video.